Tangmaiban MLA KH Joy Kishan today declared that he will not attend the Independence Day celebration on 15th August 2019 if the people of Tangmaiban who were arrested during agitation demanding justice for baby Sana are not released by 15th of August. MLA KH Joy Kishan has condemned the act of allegedly using male police in tackling female protesters during stir against the mysterious death of baby Sana. The Pump House No. 1 transformer of Low Canal 2 of Loktak Lift Irrigation has been repaired and will be operational from today. The canal will start supplying water. Seva Bharati, a sister branch of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, Imphal Jilla planted over 200 saplings at Kangla, Imphal today. More than 300 members of Seva Bharati of Imphal Jilla joined the tree plantation program to mark 13 August observance. The death toll from Typhoon Lekima in eastern China rose to 44 people this morning, according to official data, as the storm continued up the coast, racking up millions of dollars in economic losses and widely disrupting travel. A daycare center where children could stay overnight as their parents worked was ravaged by a fire that killed 5 and sent the owner to the hospital, authorities said. The victims in the lakeside city of Erie range in ages from 8 months to 7 years, a report said.